Hello friends, welcome to my channel DevOps All in One. In today's video, we are going to see how to integrate Jenkins with Slack. This is tutorial number 13. So guys, we have come so far from tutorial 1 to tutorial 13, starting from installing Jenkins, configuring Jenkins to Jenkins integration with various other tools such as Sonar, Nexus, Tomcat, Kubernetes, and now Slack. My name is Sachin Deshmukh. I have over 9+ years of experience as a cloud DevOps engineer. I have expert knowledge on DevOps, its tools, and cloud solutions. I worked on many DevOps tools such as Jenkins, TeamCity, Git, configuration management tools like Ansible, Docker, Kubernetes, Sonar, Nexus Logstash, Kibana, and cloud providers such as GCP, AWS, Azure, etc. So before starting the integration, let's know what Jenkins and Slack are. So Jenkins is a free and open source automation server. It is one of the most popular, powerful, and mature CI/CD tool. It helps automate the part of software development related to building, testing, and deploying, facilitating continuous integration and continuous delivery. It is a server-based system that runs in a servlet container such as Apache Tomcat. Now, what is Slack? Slack is a channel-based messaging platform for making communication fast and easy. With Slack, people can work together more effectively, connect all their software tools and services, and find the information they need to do their best work, all within a secure, enterprise-grade environment. A Slack workspace is made up of channels where team members can communicate and work together. Okay, in Jenkins Slack integration, we are going to see like Jenkins plugin called Slack notification is used to send build information, build status to the Slack channels. By using this Slack notification, you can keep track of your builds from Slack itself, and you don't have to monitor Jenkins job for Jenkins dashboard. So you will get notification from Slack itself, and you don't have to every time you have to go to Jenkins and see what is your build status and all. By doing this integration, Slack becomes a chat ops feature in DevOps culture. So in today's demo, we are going to see all these steps. First, we will see how to create a Slack account. Then we will see from that Slack account, we have to add Jenkins CI app in the Slack from the Slack marketplace. Then we will go to Jenkins dashboard. We will install plugin called Slack notification. Once that Slack notification plugin installed, then we will configure the Slack in configuration system section of Jenkins by providing the workspace, channel name, and credentials token of Slack. So without much ado, let's start our demo. So for that, let's go to the Internet Explorer and search for slack.com. We are going to install it for the free. So let's try for the free. Okay, here there are two options: create a Slack workspace and sign into Slack. Okay, so we are new to Slack, so we are just going to create a Slack workspace here. Here you have to provide one work email ID, or if If you are using for demo version, then you can use a Gmail ID. So I am giving a Gmail ID over here. Once you click on continue, one code will be generated in your email. So I'm just going to put that 770220. Now it will ask what's the name of your company or team. So we will give like my team. This is my team. Then it is asking what's your team working on right now. That means we have to specify one channel name here. Okay, so let's give an automation. Next. Now it is asking to invite other teammates. Let's skip this step for now. And here you go. This is your Slack. This is our channel name called automation. And my team, this is your workspace. Okay. Then we have to add Jenkins CI over here. So to do that, you can see this https app.slack.com/client and then other token or something is there. So I'm just going to remove this part and I will add services over here. Sorry. Now this is kind of a marketplace over here. We have to search our app directory, Jenkins CI. I can see the first option, Jenkins CI. So I'm going to select that. Now I am clicking on add to Slack. Now you have to select a channel name. We just created an automation channel. So I'm just selecting an automation and then I will click on add Jenkins CI integration. Now here the Slack has provided some setup instructions. So first instruction they have given is in your Jenkins dashboard, click on manage Jenkins. So what they are going to say is we have to install Slack notification plugin. So let's go to manage Jenkins. Manage plugins. In available section, search for Slack notification. So I can see the first option, Slack notification. I am going to select it and I'm going to download now, and I will install after my restart. It says downloaded successfully, will be activated during the next boot. So I'm going to restart my Jenkins so that it get installed after the restart one. Now our Jenkins is restarted. Let's log in. Now let's configure the Slack. So for that, you have to go to manage Jenkins. Configure system. Okay, in the configuration, let's search for Slack. It will be available at the bottom, I guess. Okay, this is the Slack configuration. We have to provide a workspace. So to get the workspace, we'll again go to Internet Explorer. And here they have provided some information. So first information is team some domain. So just copy this, place it over here. Then we have to provide a credential. If you go here in the question mark, it is saying token to use and to interact with the Slack. Kind of credential must be a secret text. So we will go and add credentials. The kind will be secret text and secret will be the integration token credential ID. You just have to copy this. Let's give some names, Slack token. Click on add. Select Slack token. Then we have to give the default channel or member ID. Remember, we have created an automation channel. So I'm just giving that name. And let's test the connection. I think we did some mistake. Let's check again. Okay, it is succeeded. Maybe some configuration lack. So with the same configuration which we did, it is testing succeeded. Sometimes Jenkins configuration takes time to load these configurations. So we have done all these settings. Now we can connect to the Slack server. What we have to do is we have to test now. Let's Okay, I have to apply first these changes. Now we will try with the two types of job, one with the freestyle and one with the pipeline. Let's create a new atom with the freestyle job. Slack freestyle demo. Here we will create a simple execute shell command, echo. This is my test job. And in the post build action, you will see the Slack notification has come up. Now you have to choose what you want to send to the Slack. Notify build start, yes. Notify success, notify aborted, not build unstable, regression, every failure. You can choose whatever you want. And then in advance, there are multiple options available here. And then it is saying notification message includes, you can see commit list with authors and titles. So you should know who is started the build. And then we can apply and save. Let's build this job. In console output, you can say the build step has executed and Slack notification will send on success notification because build matches and user preferences allow it. Now let's go to our Slack. This is our Slack. This is our workspace. Click on your workspace. And here you go. Whenever we were doing the configuration, it was telling us that you are set up on this. We previously configured Slack on localhost 8080, that is the Jenkins which was on localhost, but due to some issues in the localhost Jenkins, so I switched over my Jenkins to remote server and I ran that job, same job from a remote server, and you can see the output. The build number 2 started by user Sachin Deshmukh, and it is saying the build number 2 is success after 0.26 seconds. This way you can configure your freestyle job. Now let's go ahead and go with a pipeline demo. So I've created a job for pipeline. Okay, we can create a new item with the pipeline by saying Slack pipeline demo. Here we are going to write a pipeline script. So this is the pipeline. Started with the pipeline syntax stages. One stage is just hello with the statement of hello world. And I have written this Slack send command over here. Okay. With the message started job, and then job name, build number, and build URL. Once this job get finishes, in the post job section, you can see there are some commands like this will get executed always. If your job get aborted, then this will get executed with the message about it. If your job get failed, then Slack send function will return message if failed. And if it is success, then Slack send function will send done. Let's copy this whole script and paste it here. Click on apply and save. Let's build this job. Let's see what happened in the console output. So first Slack send executed with the step running, and then our stage hello world is executed. Current result is succeeded, and this function of Slack send the message to the Slack. Let's see. You can see the started job Slack pipeline demo, and then we got this done message. If I am going to do some mistake in the pipeline, then what will be the result? Let's see that. Configure. Here instead of echo, I am just writing a bat. So as per the command, this build should be failed. Okay, it got failed. Now if you check the status in the Slack, it says started the job, and then it says failed. So this way you can configure your Jenkins with the Slack. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you like this video. Please like and share with your friends, and subscribe to my channel so that you can get latest updates. Thank you so much.